Hello everybody, it's Gigo here and welcome back to the channel once again. If it's your first time here, this is the Pantam project. Today's episode is going to be episode 4 of the foundation. In our previous video, which was episode 3, we started with the DPM and also we did the reinforcement, which is what you are seeing now. Today's episode, we're going to focus on the foundation, oversight concrete, and that will bring us to the end of the whole foundation work of this particular project, which is the Pantan project. If you are now joining us and you want to see how we start, or if you want to know the steps right in construction of a foundation, if you go to my playlist, you see it the step-by-step process on how we got to this far. So once again, we have the self-loading mixer on site. So in my first episode, which was episode 1, when we were doing the trenches, which was the foundation footings, the concrete, a lot of people were asking where they can rent this machine for their project. They want to know more information about it, but I haven't responded yet because I'm trying to get more information with a team that owns this this track. Actually, it is only for private use at the moment, and there's so much construction going on at the moment that we need this machine on site. So it won't be possible to give information of on when and how to rent it out. Like, there's more. Actually, I think this is a new one that we are trying, but the owner has more. But like I said, I haven't responded yet because I want to put the information out there when I get more details of how it will be rented, because this is new, so we're going to see if there's market for it and how much can it go out there for rent and all of that. So when I get more details, I'll respond to those comments. So sorry for the late response. Yeah, if I get more information, I will come back to answer those questions. So stay tuned.
The rain is not giving us chance, crowd. It's not giving us chance, crowd, but we are saying it. Oh, look at this. So the concrete casting is still ongoing. It's rain small here, so you can see from the surface of the concrete. But we are progressing gradually. So this is it. At the close of the day, we are able to meet our target. So finish that. So this how far we've got to.
So that was Pele for you, our site manager and supervisor. And you can see the oversight concrete casting is completed, and this brings us to the end of phase 1 of this particular project, which is the foundation. And you can see the work done here for yourself. Neat job done by the team. I'll give a big shout out to this team for pulling this up nicely. So in our next phase, which is phase 2, and that will be in our next episode, which will be episode 5, we will be looking at some specs of this project as we begin with the block laying of this particular project. So if you don't want to miss out, you want to get more information of this project, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The playlist name is Pantime Project. You can follow for any latest updates of this particular project. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's get to it.